welcome to Two Cooks in Our Own Kitchen. Today we are making a Mexican coleslaw. This is just a real simple little recipe. We had half a cabbage left over from St. Patrick's Day, where we made a curried corned beef and cabbage. It was really, really good. So we're going to use this and make a coleslaw. We have a lovely Oaxacan black mole with lamb that we've got some leftovers and we're going to have for dinner, and this is going to be a perfect side for that because that's so rich and dark, and this will be bright and light. So we've got cabbage, carrots, and cilantro, and then the dressing is made of lime, cumin, garlic, salt, pepper, a little agave, and a half cup of olive oil. So I'm just gonna put all these vegetables through the chopper upper, and we'll come back when that's done. Something. It went. Put it in our bowl over here. And I'm going to take a scraper and get the rest of that out of there. But that's coleslaw, all right. Quite a bit of it. I could have probably just used half that cabbage. But
gotta dig. Okay, hold on.
A messy job. I guess when you make that many little tiny pieces of cabbage, they're bound to get everywhere. So I also have some chopped up cilantro that's going to go in here. That was about a 1/4 cup packed cilantro. You could add more. And then I'm going to build the dressing. And it's going to start with our half cup of olive oil. I'm just going to put this all in here so I don't have to chop the garlic and whatnot. Let the machine do it. 4 garlic cloves. A half a teaspoon of cumin. Pinch of salt. I'm going to go with, this is big salt, so it doesn't really distribute the same. So it's about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and about as much pepper, and a little less. And then we have a 1/3 cup of lime juice, and about a tablespoon or so of agave syrup. And zoop this up.
Oh, plug it in.
Well,
we always forget that part.
That often helps. And then we're just going to let that fall down in there. And I'm going to put this in with our cabbage and carrots. Give everything a good stir and let it sit for a while to absorb all the dressing into the vegetables. And now this needs to sit for at least an hour, but overnight is better, as everything just kind of softens and melts together. But it's looking like it should be just delicious. And I might still, we'll see how it tastes, but I might still want to add a little more cilantro. Looks like it kind of got lost in there. Okay, that's good. The lime gives it a really nice tang. The cumin is there. I think it's a really nice version of coleslaw. So there you have it. Thanks for watching Two Cooks in the Kitchen. Subscribe to our channel. Check out the recipes on our website at twocooksinthekitchen.net, and we'll see you next time.